Welcome to our channel. Today we how to configure Squarespace for online portfolios, detailed guide step by step clearly. Start by logging into your Squarespace account. Click on Create a new site or select an existing site you want to modify. Choose a template that suits online portfolios. Templates designed for portfolios will showcase your work effectively. Once the template is selected, click Start Editing to enter the site editor. Navigate to the Pages section in the left-hand menu. Here, you can add a new page for your portfolio. Click the plus icon to create a new page. Select Gallery or Portfolio from the options. Name your new page appropriately, such as My Portfolio or Work Samples. Click Save to create the page. Now, click on your newly created page to start adding content. To upload images, click Add Images in the Gallery section. Select images from your computer that best represent your work. You can drag and drop images directly into the gallery for convenience. Once the images are uploaded, you can arrange them in the order you prefer. Click on an image to edit its details. Add titles, descriptions, and links to each image to provide context. Make sure to check the layout options to see how the images will appear. Adjust and select the layout that highlights your work effectively. Visit the Design tab in the left-hand menu to customize the appearance of your site. Choose your fonts, colors, and other visual aspects that align with your brand. Next, navigate to Settings and choose Website Information. Here, add your site title, tagline, and other relevant information. Scroll down to the Social Links section to connect your social media accounts. This will enable visitors to explore more about you across various platforms. Return to the editor and make sure your navigation is user-friendly. Test your navigation links by clicking on them to ensure they work correctly. Next, preview your site by clicking the Preview button at the top right corner. Make any necessary adjustments before publishing. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.